Introducing the most powerful tower fan in the Honeywell TurboForce family. A 2-in-1 air circulator and tower fan for powerful whole room air circulation and robust cooling power. Feel its TurboForce power up to 40 feet away. The Honeywell TurboForce tower has 2 independently controlled fans. The top fan pivots 90 degrees for whole room air circulation, while the bottom fan oscillates for wide area cooling, or both can remain focused to provide personal cooling. With a 3-speed setting on each fan, you get a total of 15 different comfort settings. For a blast of TurboForce power, turn both fans to high and enjoy the cooling sensation. The unique cross-flow fan design creates less noise while harnessing the TurboForce power, maximizing the cooling airflow. This whole room fan is versatile and fits stylishly into tight spaces. Setup is quick and easy with the no-tool design. And unlike other fans, TurboForce can be placed against the wall for maximum placement flexibility, so you can enjoy powerful turbo cooling and air circulation anywhere in your home. Honeywell TurboForce Tower. Experience the difference.
Customize your cooling needs. This feature-rich oscillating tower fan with remote is designed with 3 fan speeds and 3 operating modes: normal, natural, sleep, so you can easily customize your airflow and cooling needs. Convenient, intuitive LED display. Access the LED display from a standing position to adjust mode, timer or speed settings. LED lights power off after 30 seconds to eliminate any light disturbance from the display on this cooling fan. Programmable timer and wide oscillation. This tower floor fan operates at very low noise levels, while oscillating to cool a wide area. Save energy with the 7-hour programmable timer. Our bedroom pedestal fan will add a cool breeze to those sultry nights.
Looking for year-round comfort for your home? The all-season Comfort Control Tower Fan and Heater by Lasko is ideal for heating or cooling your home any time of year. This slim, sleek hybrid model is a space heater and tower fan all in one. The top half provides far-reaching cooling breezes with 4 quiet speeds, while the lower half has 3 heat settings for ideal warmth. Features include Auto Eco, an automatic electronic thermostat that maintains year-round comfort using less energy, electronic touch controls, an 8-hour timer function, easy vacuum filter, and a multifunction digital remote control with convenient onboard storage. Plus, it comes with safety features that include automatic overheat protection and a tip-over safety switch. Keep any room comfortable all year long with the all-season Comfort Control Tower Fan and Heater by Lasko.
Introducing the new Ozeri 3X Tower Fan with Bluetooth technology and passive noise reduction. The Ozeri 3X Tower Fan defines the latest in stylistic innovation with its stunning design, slim form factor, and elegant glass stand. Featuring Bluetooth, simply download the free iOS or Android app for full control of the fan via your favorite smartphone or tablet. With 3 independent fans and 3 fan speeds, enjoy up to 9 levels of customized airflow. Relax as the passive noise reduction reduces blade noise and isolates the soothing sound of the airflow itself. Choose from 3 airflow patterns designed to mimic nature, foster relaxation, and induce sleep. Activate the Whisper Quiet oscillation for refreshing air circulation throughout the room, and engage the timer for the hottest hours of the day, or to turn off after you have fallen asleep.
In 1945, Vornado created a new way to feel cool by circulating air throughout the whole room. Typical towers don't give you many options. The air doesn't travel very far and only cool one area of the room at a time. Vornado now offers 2 distinct ways to be comfortable: Introducing Oscar, the Vornado whole room tower circulator with oscillation on demand. Oscar uses a powerful airflow to circulate all the air in the room. The air flows fast, cool, and constant. This continuous current of air ensures that everyone in the room is comfortable, no matter where they are. For those who occasionally enjoy sweeping oscillation comfort, they can opt for that too. Gale force winds or a gentle breeze. We'll leave that up to you. Plus, a Vornado comes standard with a confidence-inspiring 5-year satisfaction guarantee and customer service that's as legendary as our products. Feel the options yourself. From a Vornado.